It's Wednesday, baby. It's Brian Daly here at Austin Detailing. So look at this, it's beautiful. We got a little bit of love right here. This is my ice machine right here. And it ain't making cubes, and it ain't got that good sonic ice. You know what I'm saying? But it does have gloss flip psychedelic. Love it. We got a little satin up in here too. So you kind of see the different, but it flips 4 or 5 different colors. I just wanted to start outside, get this morning rolling. Hope everybody's having fun. I want to kind of show y'all my car. Y'all keep an eye out at the supercharger. Not real hard to spot. I got like kind of a B-pillar thing going on here. We call it the Damascus B-pillar, but basically shattered into about 300 pieces. That fresh premium shield matte PPF. Keep an eye out for me, baby. We call the right side derecha. We call that the Oreo. Everybody stares at me at the supercharger and like, look at that guy. He's trying to do DIY. He's trying to do DIY. Chrome delete, he can't figure out his door handle. Nah, we're missing that too, so keep an eye out for me, baby. We got over there, we got that white Alpha. Man, it was hammered. And that second hailstorm up in Leander. Great client, Gwyn Partners, Eric Davis, Jay, everybody. That guy's about $9,900. I've already replaced the glass. It's not a Tesla, it's real easy to replace parts. But come on in to the urban room, baby. This, I've owned that for about 4 years. If y'all know me, we ain't getting on a motorcycle. I can barely handle 4 wheels. Why would they give me 2? I need some trainers or something back there. We got hoods, we got parts, everything. You know, now some stuff came in looking fresh, like a right pack. Right up in here, we got a great client, Paul and his wife. They're moving to Seattle in a couple of days. We have full car matte premium shield PPF on this multi-coat red. Model 3, we've decided we had to fix a wheel and tire, and then they've decided to go from red Alloygators to the black Alloygators. Really bad. You know, they're the premium ones, so they actually, the technology, they go behind the tire, they spin out and really lock in. You can slap a curb, nothing will happen. Save you from that rim job Thursday, baby. Up in here, we got another Tesla. It came with the caps. These are my rims. You know how we do it, tire loaner program. You go on vacation, anything like that. You know, we'll give you one if y'all don't feel comfortable not having a spare. But these are my tires on this car, as you can see. You know, we got a black one up here. Again, I like that whole Oreo thing we got going on. But these guys have those caps over them. Not my favorite for a Model S. You know, but they are what they are. And we know we're not going to put the caps on there because we got satin black powder coat going on this car, baby. So right here, we got this really, really pretty blue. Kind of a lighter blue. It's the Lincoln Aviator. This is probably our 4th or 5th one here in a couple weeks. David Young, you started it with the Aviators. We appreciate it. Cool car. Need to give it a really solid polish, even though it's brand new. So we're going to paint correct the car. Then we're going to come in with Feynlab Ceramic Ultra. It's our 5-year coating. Basically, no waxing for 5 years. Stays cleaner longer. Super easy, buttery to the touch to wash the car. Then we'll finish out with the rims. This was a cool project. We talked about it. I think we've signed them up for, this is the BMW M4. It's got a matte paint job. So this is OEM, this isn't premium shield. But premium shield will be going on it. He just drove the car back, bought it in the Pacific Northwest. The rims were just gnarly looking. They were absolutely chemically etched. They look gray and white and things like that. So aftermarket rim right there. Very difficult to powder coat, but gloss black, it got nailed. We did Feynlab wheel and caliper coating. So the blue calipers up in there are super glossy. The rims are glossy. We got durability, chemical resistanceness. They're gonna be super buttery to wash up. So awesome car, can't wait to wrap this full car premium shield PPF. So kind of winding up here, we got that guy still hanging out. Don't look. Does anybody think this looks like a corset? Every time I walk by, I didn't even know it was a chair. That just makes me feel like I should just walk around. But anyways, let's get back to the fun thing. I want to show you the coolest logo that I like. So coming into the clean room, leaving the urban room, peace. What do we got here? It looks like a star. Is it from the North Pole, South Pole, or the Volvo Polestar, baby? Yeah, baby. We're going to get this guy rolling. You know what I really like? You know, it's got to have this weird-looking EV-style rim on it. But I love the Brembos. They're gold. They match the caps. And then they also match the seatbelts. So we're coming in, not a fun thing because this car is not in the tint patterns. So everything is completely custom and hand cut. Every window on here, we're using Madico. It's an amazing manufacturer. The IR, the UV is absolutely to die for the price point. We're coming in doing Madico Black Pearl Nano Ceramic on here. Gonna hand cut all the windows. After that, we're going to come in, we're going to do a Feynlab ceramic coating, 3-year. We're going to, they're big believers in our fabric coating. They've had it on 2 vehicles before, their Tesla and their BMW X3. So having a new young man, little boy, we're going to put a leather coating on the seats from Feynlab. We're going to do Feynlab Textile. That's our fabric coating. Basically, you could spill a Coke, it could dry up, evaporate, and all you would be left with is a puddle of sugar crystals. It's really amazing on the carpet. We'll do that twice. Kind of a cool interior. Reminds me a little bit of the BMW i3 from 6-7 years ago. I've heard it's hauled butt. Look at the screen up in here, right here. Kind of a cool shifter, like that 3-dimensional sitting off the top. The seat, the stitch, it's kind of cool back here. Reminds me of snowflakes. I imagine it's that North Polestar. But yeah, we're coming through that. We're gonna make love to that one. It's gonna be fun. Let's get into this one real quick. This is really our bread and butter. It's a Tesla 21 Model 3. Came straight to us. They're getting Windcos premium ceramic tint. It's the most amazing film in the world, one of the top 3 films. The UV and the IR is just absolutely through the roof. It's also made by Madico. Madico makes over 30 to 40 different lines of film. They might even make some of the top ones in the world, and they go to Minneapolis. But I didn't say that. But let's come on in. We're gonna do, we got full tint going down every window on the car. 75% clear on the windshield. We got 30% on the sides. Of course, a one giant piece back over here. We're going to come in here. We've already done, it's up on the ramps. We've already done premium shield, full front end, clear PPF. The clarity is absolutely to die for. We talk about it all the time. The orange peel, the lack thereof, it almost dumbs down the factory orange peel, but it's absolutely phenomenal. It's 8 mils thick, lifetime warranty. PBF is really the only thing in the world that can potentially stand up to a rock chip. Also, pulling out of your garage, HEB, getting a car accident, it's an amazing material. So came in this morning. We only had one person work last night. I imagine he probably worked till about 2 o'clock in the morning, knowing the job, but it looks like he set himself up a campfire. So we're just gonna leave his little campfire right here and get into what he really did last night. So on this car, super cool 2020 Model Y. Y'all know Battleship gray, baby. Feynlab coatings on top. What he came in for was a auto frunk. So we installed the auto frunk. He can hit a button. He can use his app. He can hit the button inside. Closes the trunk automatically, opens it. We'll do it here in a second. But the biggest thing why it's on the lift and why we had a bonfire last night is because we put on Mountain Pass adjustable comfort coilovers. So he's not trying to go any lower, but he's trying to get a lot softer ride. We got about 10 requests for that, all wanting to go softer and not lower. So that's going to be the best fit for that. We've done that. This is our 4th set. So I think we've dialed in the comfort, got it all right. But hit us up if you want to change the comfort level and the stiffness, make it a little softer, more enjoyable ride. Mountain Pass Performance adjustable coilovers up there. Let's see if we can get into this auto frunk. Oh, Yeah, so if you notice, that's completely different. Gives you them beeps. And then, yeah, so that is that guy. We'll cruise on over here to the BMW, another Tesla client, a Corvette client. They decided they wanted to get a BMW, so it's new to them. Had a ton of overspray and brake dust, little gold specks all over the car. So we made it look like new. We've washed it. We've clay barred the dog out of it to get all of that off the car. We've come in. We've, again, only premium shield up in this house. The clarity, again, is absolutely to die for. Orange peel. You know, but the thickness, the durability, that's why we're with Premium Shield. That, and they're the most amazing vendor and the most amazing support and company. So love y'all. Coming in right here, we got the Wiz doing his thing. We've tinted this whole F-150. I think it's a limited 2021 platinum. So, and it's a power boost. Ooh, power boost. I just wanted to say panda. We've come in and done full front end. We're coming to do full front end today. Premium shield, full clear. Going to be kind of intricate. You know, got a lot of moves, a lot of curves going on there. We've done full tint. So yeah, that's this one right here. This is an awesome one. Melissa, you're one of my favorite clients. This car is 3 years old. It was hit with hail damage and it was murdered. I think the tab was $13,000. Fixed the whole thing, made it look like new. And looks like we got a quarter glass we need to finish replacing. This piece right here, to remove that, this is what we call a quarter glass. This is part of this. So this whole entire thing needs to come out. Then we'll put a brand new one in and we need to retint that. But we replaced everything else. We put Premium Shield full car clear on the entire car. We need to come in, give it its coating, make the car ready. But yeah, I mean, the car was just absolutely hammered. About 700 dents on this car. It looks brand new. Switched out some parts. Gotten that. We're going to try and get that delivered. So we got this big old country bumpkin. I kind of like to stay with, you know, city driving, highway driving. But we got bugs all over this, brand new Ford F-350 Super Duty Platinum. We're going to come in, we're going to decontaminate everything. We're going to make the car look like new. We're going to give a compound and polish. And then we're going to come in with Feynlab Self-Heal Lite. And 3 different layer coating. They're going to emulsify together. It's going to really help him living out in the country, working out in West Texas. A big old beast, only comes through these doors to get over to the urban room. So that's kind of why you see her hanging out today. But awesome paint job. Definitely going to need some love. 3 different coatings, Feynlab Self-Heal Lite. I think, I mean, this car's only been washed twice. I think we're going to recommend PPF to cover up these plastic B-pillars because they are already hammered torched. Like, it's so super marred, so much micro marring, they're turning silver. So I think it's been washed 3 times. So we're going to recommend PPF for these pillars. Great idea for any of y'all's cars that have that piano black, real thin plastic, because you can only polish this out so much and really only one time. So we're going to do that. It's going to be a great day. We're going to finish out here, guys, because like I said, I wish I could put my microphone up here. You can see the moon. You can hear the birds. We've been in this shop for 2.5 years. I love trees. This tree has grown like 4 or 5 feet. I'm absolutely in love with it. Same with that one. Same with that one. Just everybody neglected it. So love y'all. Have a great day. I hope y'all's day is amazing. Ours is going to be. Peace, love, Austin Detailing.